y'all, so we're gonna do a short video today of little hog of going shopping to DDS. If you're interested in what I got, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys also subscribe to my Rumble channel. Let's get to it. Alright, so right here, my mom and I, we went shopping to DDS, and it was a very good deal, so we went like shopping like cray. So we had some extra money to spend, so check out what I ended up finding. I had to get it. I had to. Like, I didn't even want to get anything. My mom just wanted to go get some bras. That was the main thing where we were going, but then we ended up getting the other stuff. But anyways, check this out. Bam! See, look. Let's put this on. So it goes like this. Here we go. See that? Bam! It has like a cute Indian right here. And check out the back. Bam! So this was a must. I had to get it. And it was only for, oh snaps, see, $14.99. Bam! Next, we got this other cute one. I'm from the 90s, so 90 babies, y'all know about the racks. Y'all know about them. Y'all already know. Don't be a baby. You already know. It's from the racks, and this one was only $6.99. Bam! Next, we got this cute shirt. Oh, let's see. Just put it on the back. Bam! Let me go more back so you can see. See? I like that how it cuts. Bam! So this is a cute one. And this one was only $8.99. And this other cute shirt right here, $3.99. Bam! Oh, and this other shirt right here that says Queen, I liked it. Bam! And it's only $4.99. I'm dropping stuff like always. Check this bag. Bam! Bam! My alien. I had to get it. It's so cute. And it's, open up the inside. And it's just black. Same thing. And this don't have the tag on it. And then we got these cute slippers over here. And they're only $4.99. And then they check out these cute leggings right here. And it was only $2.99 for this. Leggings right here, $2.99. And check out this cute shirt right here. And I liked about it that it comes with the liga. Look, it came with the little liga right here. Avocado. And it was only $2.99. And then I found, and the last but not least, here we go. This shirt right here. Bam! And it was only for $6.99. So I got this all in DDS. Bam. I'm gonna put my things away. Not bad. And I got my mom some stuff as well, but I'm only gonna show you guys what I got for me. But not bad. Not bad. That's what I got. So my mom is making some noodle. So I'm about to go grab. I'm gonna eat some noodle. So I got over here. I'll put this on my face. So I'm gonna put this on my face, and then I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna watch a movie with my mom for a little bit, have some more noodle, and I'm gonna get ready for bed because I gotta get up early and babysit some kids. So crazy schedule. Let's get to it. So starting my Monday, let's get to it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this short video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys follow me also on Instagram, TikTok, Rumble. Everything else is UniqueFX. The only difference is Rumble. That's the only one that's not the same. It's UniqueAlienPinkyMakeup. Yeah, there you go. Go look at the, oh man, I can't even talk. Oh man, I'm sleepy. Lazy Sundays. Lazy Sundays. Alright. Good night, you guys. Hope you guys see you. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Okay. Alright. Over here, I got this drink. It's like chocolate. So I'm kind of curious how it tastes. It looks good. Over here, I got the regular coconut with piña. So I got these two drinks that I want to try. And of course, like I said I was gonna do, we need to do a facial because I am breaking out. I have a freaking pimple, like nearly. So yeah. So we're about to get it because goddamn, freaking pimple ain't playing. But I want to try all these drinks really quick. Bam, check it out. I'm already choking. Oh, let me show you guys really quick. See, bam, bam. Now I'm just gonna put on some cute little shorts with it. All right, so I put on some shorts, some kisses. Bam. This is my cute little sport bras. So check out. I also got these other sport bras right here. Check out these sport bras. Bam. Then another one of a cheetah. Bam. So I also got it at DD's. And I have one just like the one I'm wearing, but black. See this? But black. Y'all skinny bitches be wearing them. Us fat bitches can wear them too. Only difference are our long hats be hanging looking like goddamn. But it's okay. I'm gonna show off my fatness because I'm gonna start getting back to working out and eating less junk food. So let's do the before and after look. So we're gonna get back to doing that squats because I lost my ass. My ass is leaving. I'm starting to lose some long hairs, but my ass is leaving with this. So I'm like, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no. My ass is leaving. And that's the most thing that I like about my ass. My ass. My ass. It's the main thing I like. And it's leaving me. Where did you go? I miss you so. Sunshine's to the rainbow. I miss you so. It's like a fucking car came and boom, nearly took my ass. Nearly took my ass with it. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? So we're gonna get back to the squats. That's what I'm doing, believe it or not. So I did it last night. My legs kind of hurt right now, but I'm getting back to it because god dang, this is what I like the most of my body, and it's leaving. I don't like my jiggly roll arms. I don't like my jiggly lonjas. My titties are fucking annoying. This is the only thing I fucking like, and guess what? It's leaving. It's leaving. So definitely need to get back to that. Back to that. Make a clap. Just kidding. I'm not even twerking, but still, my ass is leaving. Where did you go? I missed you so. From side to the rainbow. But yeah, anyways, forget my ass. So that's why I got this short, so you don't look at my ass. It's like a long dress. Bam. So bam. All right, let's get back to it. My ass. I'm gonna get glam as well, but that's gonna be on the next video. But let's try this chocolate. I am curious how these chocolate nuts taste. It's 150 calories. Damn, it's so little, the words I can't even see. Excuse me. It's only 2% of. Damn, it's fucking small as hell. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that shit is so little. Sorum is. Goodness, I'm gonna follow my finger because so little. 2%. Huh. 2% of serum and 150 calories. So, let's see. It has coconut. I should have smelled it first, but I drank it. I was hella thirsty. But hell yeah, it's good. I could fuck with it. This is good. Alright, you guys. Next, we got the piña with the coconut. So peach with coconut. I mean not peach. How do you say peach? Coconut milk drink with nica de coco, piña, pineapple. Okay, yeah, there you go. Pineapple flavor with piña. Just check it up. 150 the same, 2 the same. It's the same thing. They're both the same. Let's try the other one. Hell yeah, it smells hella good. You can straight up smell piña, pineapple. You can straight up smell the piña. Too bad that one of my nieces is allergic to piña and she's not gonna be able to taste these. But maybe a different flavor. Let's see. Wow. Hell yeah. I can fuck with it. So far I had tried a regular pineapple, a regular coconut. I tried the coconut with strawberries. That was a hella good one. Now I tried these two. So these drinks are hella good. And I found these at Food City, and you can also find them at Phoenix Market. And those are where I found these drinks. So the first time I had tried regular coconut water, the regular flavor, and then I tried the pink one with coconut, and now I end up trying these two, and they're hella good. Hella good. Hella good. Alright, let's open up this because I need to do a facial. I have a freaking pimple and I'm just, no. I am not having it. Look how this, oh snaps, let me put a little bit down. I'm going down because you've been around, baby. So let's get it. I said that I'm going down on your day. I'm just kidding. Shut up. Okay. Let's get it. Hello. Alright, let's get it. Oh, it's hella cold. just put it on my face like these. And I'm just cutting it from the corner. And then just slap it on like that. Some on my nose, some on this, and then this piece. And then just, there we go. Some on my neck, some on my nose. There we go. Alright. So this is to be on my face for about 12 to 20 minutes. That's what it says. So these are really easy to put on. And like inside, it's still slimy. So I'm gonna get one of these. And I see some slimy stuff. I'm just gonna, we ain't wasting nothing. No products waste up in here. And I'm just gonna put it on top, especially right here, because right here is my pimple. I'm just gonna dump it right here better. Bam. All right, there you go. There's a little bit more left. And then just, oh yeah, we ain't wasting no products in this motherfucker. So there you go. Just like that. So I'll take it off about 20 to 15. No, this one says about 12 to 20 minutes. I'll take it off. And I got it also at DDS, and it was $3.99. So yeah, DDS is my store. Hell yeah. It's definitely Forever 21. That's my favorite store as well. But when I broke my pockets, DDS is where I go. And then it's okay because I'll come out with 2 bags, 3 bags full of stuff because it's DDS. Good price. Alright, you guys. So I'm going to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. We'll see you guys on the next video. And we're going to do some glam. I need to get back to doing some crazy makeup for you guys as well. Some cute hairstyles I'm going to be doing as well. So make sure you guys check that out. Don't forget about my Rambo channel. My Rambo channel is UniqueAlienPinkyMakeup. So go check that out. Everything else is UniqueFXMakeup. My TikTok, my Instagram is UniqueFXMakeup. The only one that has a different name, just by a little bit, is Rumble. Rumble is the only one that, like I said, it's not UniqueFX. You're missing the alien part. But yeah, on Rumble, a lot of people are asking me what is Rumble. So Rumble is the same thing as YouTube. The only difference that you can add any music in the background and they don't get you for copyrighted. You also get paid as well. That's the only difference. They don't care about the background. So most of the time, if you see me posting some videos and you can hear some crazy music, and that's not the original music. That's just something I put on so they don't get me for copyrighted. But if you go to Rumble, you will hear the original sound. Original sound and original video will be in there. It's the same video, but I kind of mix it up so they don't make it too boring and the same. It's more interesting, different. That's what I do on my Rumble. And that one on Rumble, I'm popping. Here on YouTube, I'm not popping, but it's okay. This is just for a hobby, just to kill some time, have some fun. But Rumble is where I'll be making money. Damn right. So, alright, see you guys. Peace out.